Every batch begins with fresh arrivals at our logistics hub.
Fresh jackfruits are carefully unloaded to prevent surface damage.
Each jackfruit is weighed to ensure consistent processing standards.
Every fruit is inspected for defects before entering the line.
Sorted fruits are placed onto the line for automated handling. Automation improves accuracy and protects fruit integrity. Fruits are separated by size for uniform processing. Rotating brushes remove dirt without damaging the fruit.
Bright lighting reveals defects invisible to the naked eye.
Vertical brushing ensures full surface sanitation.
High-pressure jets remove remaining contaminants. Deep scrubbing cleans every contour of the fruit. A bubble-in bath ensures gentle, complete rinsing.
A final rinse prepares the fruit for processing.
Targeted jets clean hard-to-reach areas. After washing, fruits move forward for preparation. Manual cutting opens the fruit with precision and control.
Occasional stock inserts appear during archival processing footage.
Thick sections are cut down for further separation. Opening reveals the edible yellow bulbs inside. Bulbs are carefully extracted by hand. Extracted bulbs move efficiently to the next stage.
Seeds are removed to prepare the edible flesh.
Clean bulbs move forward for inspection.
Each bulb is checked for consistency.
Bulbs receive a final gentle wash.
Excess moisture is removed before slicing.
Color grading ensures visual consistency.
Graded bulbs are fed into the slicing system. Automated slicing ensures uniform thickness. Precision blades create evenly sliced pieces. Blade sharpness is critical for clean cuts. Fresh slices exit the cutter evenly. Slice thickness is verified for consistency.
Slices move toward the frying stage.
Slices are lowered carefully into hot oil.
Controlled frying develops texture and flavor.
The basket is lifted to drain excess oil.
Excess oil is allowed to drain. Gentle shaking removes remaining surface oil.
Each batch is visually inspected after frying.
Temperature is adjusted to maintain consistency.
Samples are taken to verify quality.
Batches are fried continuously to maintain output. Active bubbling shows moisture being released. Operators monitor frying through safety windows.
The system confirms the fry cycle is complete.
The system automatically lifts the basket after frying. A clean snap confirms proper crispness. Tilting allows final oil removal. Recovered oil is returned to the system. Then, fried chips are discharged onto the transfer line. Excess oil continues to drain during transfer. Remaining oil is allowed to drip away. Cooling airflow stabilizes texture before seasoning. Seasoning begins inside the rotating drum.
Optical scanners remove defects automatically.
Consistent flow keeps the line efficient. A crisp break confirms final texture. Chips enter the tumbler for final seasoning. Seasoning is mixed evenly through controlled tumbling. Extended tumbling ensures full flavor coverage. Powder coating completes flavor application. Seasoned chips exit the mixing drum. Slow motion reveals even seasoning and structure.
A light oil spray locks in the seasoning.
Finished chips exit smoothly toward cooling.
The seasoning drum operates under constant supervision.
Cooling stabilizes the chips before final sorting. Vibration evens distribution and removes loose crumbs. Manual sorting removes any remaining defects. Any off-quality chip is removed immediately. Laser sorting adds a final layer of precision. Stone sorting removes any remaining foreign matter.
Approved chips move into the packaging stage.
Automation handles high-speed packaging.
Each pack is weighed on the line.
Samples are tested to meet quality standards. Braking force confirms structural consistency. Production data is continuously analyzed for consistency.
Packaging film feeds under precise tension control.
Film is shaped into a continuous bag tube. Heat sealing creates an airtight base for each bag. Measured portions are filled into each bag. Each filled bag is verified before sealing.
Nitrogen flushing preserves freshness and shelf life.
The top seal locks in freshness. Cooling air sets the final seal. Each bag is cleanly separated by precision cutting. Each bag receives traceable date and batch coding.
Final manual checks confirm pack integrity. Finished packs move towards secondary packaging.
Robotic palletizing stacks packs with precision.
Finished packs accumulate before final boxing.
Automated packers load bags into shipping cartons.
Boxes are sealed automatically for shipment. Manual packing ensures correct count per carton. Production data is logged in real time.
Boxes are closed and prepared for sealing. Automatic tapers seal every carton securely. Each carton receives a verified shipping label. Each carton is scanned before palletizing. Each carton is weighed before shipping. Verified cartons move toward final palletizing. Robotic arms stack cartons with exact alignment. Automated vehicles transport finished pallets. Vacuum lifts handle cartons without damage. Each carton is stacked with exact placement.
Each layer is built to exact specifications.
Stacks are built high with full stability. Robotic systems operate in coordinated efficiency. Forklifts move completed pallets to shipping. Stretch wrapping secures the pallet for transport. A top sheet protects the pallet during transport. Pallets are transported to the loading dock. Pallets move through the dock lanes. Pallets are loaded securely into the truck. The trailer is closed after loading.
The load is locked and secured for transit.
The shipment departs, ready for distribution.